Russia, with its scale and severe climate, oil and gas is a basis of power supply of the country. The oil and gas complex possesses the leading part in creation of economic and social stability. Today, power, including oil and gas sector, is the high-tech branch of economy, demanding new knowledge, the equipment, new technologies, including working out of deposits. For more than 10 years, open company Promperforator is the reliable partner for leading enterprises of oil and gas branch of diluting explosive works. The company is based in 2002 in Chapayevsk in Samara region. Open company Promperforator specializes on working out and manufacture of punch systems for the oil and gas industry. And it also specializes on complex delivery of industrial explosives and the equipment for diluting explosive works. Being in the market for more than 10 years, the company has achieved good results. Despite the existence of foreign companies, open company Promperforator enters into a three of leaders on producing and delivery of explosives in the territories of Russia, near and far abroad. The specificity of work of the enterprise is connected with the use of the latest achievements in science and technology, the high-precision mechanics and modern special chemistry. Open company Promperforator possesses highly skilled personnel and the modern instrument equipment. The full production cycle is organized at the enterprise, from working out of diluting explosive equipment, testing experimental batches, to industrial commodity and delivery of production to the consumer on its own transport. Delivery is carried out in maximum deadlines. There are warehouses of storage in Samara region, and there are also warehouses of responsible storage in other regions of the country. The equipment and the techniques which are used in extraction and investigation of oil and gas are constantly developing. Open company Promperforator is always ready to changing technologies, and it also offers the most perfect equipment. Recently, there was a serious modernization of manufacture. The new chain of squeezers has occupied its own position. It is one of the leading manufacturers in the American market. The modern equipment is intended for producing of powdered facings and for molding of the charges. Updating of capacities is a new impulse in daily work on improvement of commodities quality, which has already obtained the international recognition. Open company Promperforator became one of the first companies in the country which has passed certification under standard API RP19B and was officially registered in American Oil Institute in 2008. The second certification was in October 2011. All systems have demonstrated good results on depth of punching of a charge and on diameter of an aperture in casing string. The results of the latest certification under standard API RP19B have proved an excellent degree of commodities quality once again. Open company Promperforator has successfully passed certification ISO 9001. Open company Promperforator's commodity is adapted to various conditions. Punches are made of high-strength materials and adapted for opening of layers in the conditions of environment. Customers give preference to open company Promperforator for the best indicators, both on depths of header opening and on small land mining of charges. These punch systems allow to solve tasks most effectively, to create qualitative hydrodynamic connection of a productive layer with a chink. Experience of using all kinds of charges of open company Promperforator shows its reliability and simplicity of application. The construction of the punch systems allows to spend diluting explosive works with a minimum influence on an operational column and a cement stone. The universality of charges ZKPOPP allows to combine the punchy charges BO and GP in one case, and that means a success of the combined punching. Partners mark high quality of systems of open company Promperforator in the responses about its commodity. Open company Promperforator cooperates with the largest geophysical, oil and mining enterprises in Russia, near and far abroad. These are the leaders of oil and gas branch: Gazprom, Gazflot, TNK BP, Surgutneftegaz, Tatneft, NK Rosneft, Lukoil Western Siberia of Komi, Rusneft, Kazmunaygas, Gazpromneft, the Azerbaijan oil company Soka, Ukrgazdobыча, and many others. Open company Promperforator has unique experience of application of its systems. The greatest intervals of punching have been opened in horizontal chinks of Verkhnechonskaya oil-gas condensating deposits, where it was necessary to open a productive interval in lengths up to 500 meters. A lot of different factors were allowed at a puncher choice, such as penetrative ability of a charge, landmining of the punched system, optimal density of punching, and minimization of draws of liftings. Therefore, it has been decided to use punched system KPO-102 with cumulative charges of deep penetration 1000 mm of open company Promperforator. Layer opening with the length of about 500 meters is carried out within 2 draws of lifting operations. The most extended lasers of an interval opened with the equipment of open company Promperforator for the 1 draws of lifting is 290 meters. The experience of punching on the Yurkharovskaya deposit in open company Novatek Yurkharov-Neftegaz is also unique, where cement has passed in a zone of filters as a result of plugged works. Then a chink with a chisel of smaller diameter was patterned. For minimization of risk of a holding strap of the punch system KPO-89, the chink was filled with a special oil mud. Then they made punching in 2 stages. The bottom interval of punching is 257 meters, the top one 239 meters. Thus, it was possible to open a layer in the extent of 496 meters. Open company Promperforator also works on shelf deposits of Gazflot. The unanimous conclusion of experts is that the punched systems of open company Promperforator are trouble-free, safe, reliable and effective in work. The invariable principle of open company Promperforator is strict quality assurance at all stages. All accessories pass multi-stage control. Each 200th charge is shot on conformity to the declared characteristics. The extra packing corresponds to the international safety requirements and allows to deliver production by all types of transport. Open company Promperforator has a full spectrum of production which is necessary for injection of chinks. A line of punch systems of all basic standard sizes for drawing off in a chink, both on a geophysical cable and on NKT. A line of punch systems of repeated application for drawing off to a cable. A line of small-sized collapsing punch systems for draw-off through NKT. Initiation means which contain electro-detonators, mechanical detonators, detonating cores, transfer chargers, explosive wall packers, cumulative casing rippers, cumulative chargers, shock heads, adapters of different assigning. Open company Promperforator lets out the commodity up to the world standard.